The 5 most important topics when it comes to the logical reasoning section of the CET are, सबसे पहले तो conditionalities and grouping. इसमें होता यह है that you will be given certain conditions जिसके हिसाब से you will have to make groups and कौन उस group का part होगा कौन नहीं होगा, that is something you have to find out. Now this had a very high weightage last year in terms of the CET, so ये काफी important एक topic बन जाता है. उसके बाद the second important topic is going to be directions. अब direction सुनने में तो बहुत basic लगता है, but if you know your primary directions, secondary directions and a bit of Pythagoras theorem, directions के questions बहुत easily solve हो जाएंगे. The third topic is blood relations. Now it can either be in the form of single questions or in the form of a set, जहाँ पे 4 या 5 questions हो सकते हैं. But if you know the basic notation and how people are related and how to form generations, you should be sorted in terms of this question type. The fourth question type is series based logic. अब यहाँ पे numerical series हो सकती है, alphabetical series हो सकती है, but you have to figure out which number will come next in that particular series या फिर कौन सा number है जो गलत है in the given series. The fifth topic is coding and decoding. अगर यहाँ पे A to Z के सारे positions पता है and you are able to figure out what exactly is the phrase that is used in which particular context, you should be able to crack coding and decoding questions as well. Now together these question types can contribute to almost 60% of the logical reasoning section. So make sure कि ये topics बहुत ही सही से करके जाओ. इसके बाद arrangements and critical reasoning and verbal reasoning वाले parts आते हैं, but ये मेरे लिए सबसे important past topics होंगे, especially if you are struggling with the logical reasoning section at the CET.